everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to make a quick recipe with rice and cabbage and some sausages. So I have my cabbage here that I'm going to be chopping up, and then I have some turkey sausage that I'm going to cut up. This is the brand that I'm using. You can use whatever sausage you choose. I just chose to go with turkey. I went ahead and chopped it up, and then we're going to get started. So in a pot, I'm going to add some olive oil. Once my oil get hot, I went ahead and add my ippies. Also, if you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe for more videos. Press that notification bell so you can get all my videos. And be sure to like this video too, guys. So I went ahead and add the sausage in there. I'm going to let it cook some. Once it starts getting color, as you can see right here, I'm going to be adding my cabbage right now. So I went ahead and add my cabbage. I'm going to stir it, and then I'm going to be adding some seasoned salt to that as well. Alright, so now I'm just stirring everything in, and I'm going to go ahead and add that seasoned salt in here. Other seasoning that I'm going to be used for this recipe today will be adobo and a little bit of pink Himalayan salt. That'll be it that I'm going to add on here. This is just literally a quick recipe. I was running out of ideas on what to do for the kids, and then I remember they do like this rice when I make it for them. So, and plus it's very easy and very cheap too, guys, very cost effective. So that's what I did here. And now I'm going to be adding water, and I added about 4 cups of water because I'm cooking only 3 cups. I did not make a lot at all. And I'm also going to be use the Goya little packet to just add some color to the rice. And then once my water comes to a boil, I'm going to wash my rice, then add the rice in. If you guys been watching my videos, especially my rice videos, then you should be a pro at this point. But if you're new and you feel like this is too quick for you, I have so many different rice recipes on my channel that is more detailed. So I just wanted to share this quick recipe with you guys today. And yeah, once that water comes to a boil, add your rice in. That's when you want to taste it. You want to make sure that it has the flavors that you're looking for. And once I figured it needed a little bit more, that's when I went with the pink Himalayan salt and added in. And once that water boiled down, you already know what we're going to do. We're going to grab aluminum foil. We're going to stuff it, and we're going to let it cook for a good 5 minutes. And that would be it. Like, as you can see here, the water is completely out of my rice now. I'm using aluminum foil to steam my rice. You're gonna cover that up, and about 5 minutes later, and that's it. You have some rice and cabbage. Very simple, very easy. Let me know what you think, guys. Do you like this quick recipe? Do you want more quick recipes? Let me know in the comments down below, and I will get back to you in the comment section. And that's it. And I paired that with some baked chicken that I made in the oven. I have a recipe of that in my channel as well. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.